In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share a tweet to your fleet on Twitter. Okay, so Fleets is a recent update that Twitter did, and if you don't see those little story circles at the top of your Twitter, go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Now, to share a tweet onto your Twitter stories or your Fleets, you just want to go ahead and select a tweet. So I'll just select this one here at the top of my screen, and to share it onto your Fleet, you just want to tap on the share button, which is on the far right on the bottom of the tweet. And then you'll have a couple of options, and a new option there is share in a Fleet. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to load up the fleet creation. You can move it around. You can add text to it if you so decide. I won't add any text. And if you would like to change the background of this fleet, you just tap on that little circle with the gradient color in the bottom left. That's going to change the background. And I'll select this background. And now to share this onto my story or my fleet, I just tap on the fleet button at the top right. That has now been posted, and I can refresh this. And as you can see, I have a little story circle now at the top with a blue bar around my profile picture. If I tap on that, it's going to load up the fleet. So that is how you share a tweet onto your Twitter fleets. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.